How to save Instagram profile picture. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can save Instagram profile picture. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is you'll need to open up your Instagram. Make sure you're logged in into your account. Then what you can do is tap on the search bar here and head over to any profile that you'd like, and there you can find the profile picture. Now, normally you cannot take the screenshot or you cannot save the profile picture. But what you can do is you can simply long press on the profile picture and it'll pop up like this. After the profile picture pops up like this, here you won't find any other options which enable you to make it full screen. So it'll be a circle like this. So what you can do is take a screenshot of it. After you take a screenshot of it, tap on the setting screenshot setting, and then simply crop it out. And this is the best you can do to save a profile picture on your Instagram. So tap on done after you're done and save it to your photos. And that's basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.